She's running out of fuel. Nana. Grandad. It's run out of fuel. It's run out of fuel. It's empty.
That's a real start, that.
No, it's not.
Is it realised that I can't light it?
There's a theme park called Universal Land, and they do a Jaws ride, and that's the Jaws ride. I have to check it out. The car won't start. Look, I try and turn the engine on.